Hello students, we are conducting objective marathon under the banner of Navyu coaching classes, and today we present 21 objective questions for first chapter on prose section. First chapter name is The Peace for Living, and our first question is, who is the writer of the Peace of Living? Vidyapati, Satyajit Ray, R.C. Hutchison, none of these. So our first question answer is C. C is the right answer. And second question is, does the writer dislike rapid moment in the every fields? Option first is yes, second no, third both A and B, and D option is none of these. So our second question answer is B, no. Our third question is, where did the writer watch the play? Where did the writer watch the play? Durban, London, India, Nepal. So our third answer is A, Dublin. Fourth question is, what was his nephew doing? Writing, reading, playing, cheating. Fourth answer is D, cheating him. Fifth question is, does the writer like fast traveling? So our answer is no, sometimes, yes, never. So fifth is C. Sixth question is, what is the writer thinking of? Creation, environment, enjoyment, none of these. Sixth answer is C. And seventh question is, in which situation does the writer find himself in the cinema? Hopeless, thinking, enjoyment, all of these. Seventh answer is A, hopeless. Eighth question is, to which tribe did the writer belongs to? Intelligence, fast thinker, slow thinker, nothing. Eighth answer is C, slow thinker. And next questions. Swimming is a good exercise. Swimming is behave like what? Object, preposition, complements, subject. This is from grammatical parts of your chapter, and this answer is subject. Swimming is behave like this sentence, subject. And 10th question is, my mother said it may rain. Which type of speech? Direct speech, indirect speech, A and B, none of these. 10th answer is direct speech. And 11th question is, correct the spelling of guaranteed. Guaranteed spelling correction. So 11th answer is B. B is the correct spelling of guaranteed. 12th question is, correct the spelling of fantastic. Fantastic correct answer is C. 13th question number 13th, write opposite word of clear. Clear. Opposite words of clear is B, cloudy. And 14th question is, R.C. Hutchison was what? R.C. Hutchison was American novelist, British novelist, French novelist, Italian novelist. So British novelist. And 15th number questions, the main character in Peace of Living, which the author saw was an dash corn merchant. 15th answer is elderly. 16th number questions, We are talking about 21 questions, and our next question, 16th, is the author admits that quick travel does not give the traveler the real of the travel. 16th answer is B, pleasure. And 17th number question is the in the Peace for Living, the writer compares the Aegon of Dashman, modern, essence, futures, uncivilized. 17th number answer is A, modern. Who did like fast traveling? Who did like fast traveling? Answer is the core merchant. 19th number question is, which tribe did the author belong? Fast thinkers, slow thinkers, steady thinkers, none of these. 19th number answer is B, slow thinkers. How many girls were in film? In a story where author see a film and there are 3 girls present in that movies. 21st question is, this is the last question of our objective marathon that is presented by Novyu coaching classes, and we are conducting for every chapter objectives, 21 objectives from every subject on the basis of board examination. So our last question, last but not least, who was a man of many annexes and had a dicky Hertz? R.T. Hutchison, corn merchant, the nephew of the corn merchant, the wife of the corn merchant, and that answer is B, corn merchant. So, dear students, this is our today's class, English first chapter from prose section. We are presenting 21 questions. So, if you seeing first time in our channel, YouTube channel Novyu coaching classes, then you please subscribe the channel and like videos, share your friend to improve his and her preparation for board examination. Thanks, best of luck, best wishes from Novyu coaching classes. Thanks.